Hi guys, Isha Sharma here and I'm pursuing BSc Honours Computer Science from the Arts in College, Delhi University. And through the medium of this video, I want to thank Mohit sir for teaching me maths in 9th and 10th standard. Initially when I joined Mohit sir's classes, I used to have fear of maths. I was not confident about the subject, but gradually I developed confidence. Uh, because his way of teaching is so brilliant. The way he explains the concept that even the complex and hard topics seem easy to you, and the environment of his class is so positive, and he always cheers up his students to work hard, to work more, and he always have faith in us, and he always cheered us up. And as his name suggests, Mohit, someone who make you fall in love. So he made me fall in love with mathematics, and today I feel blessed that I'm his student. And my basics of 9th and 10th standard are strong just because of him. The entire credit goes to him that I scored good marks in 10th boards. I got 95 and I'm quite happy with it. And Mohit sir, perfect is the only word suitable for him, and Mohit sir is a perfect package of all the good qualities a teacher should possess, and also in the definite proportions. So he is very good at what he is doing, and thank you so much sir for teaching me. मतलब मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लेस्ड फील करती हूँ कि अच्छी बात है मैंने सही टाइम पे 9th एंड 10th स्टैंडर्ड में मतलब बेसिक्स से ही मतलब मेरे इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गए मोहित सर की वजह से. अगर मेरे को मोहित सर नहीं मिलते 9th एंड 10th में, तो मतलब मेरा क्या ही होता. 10th में भी अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आते हैं, मेरे बेसिक्स भी ख़राब हो जाते हैं. तो थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Hello, my name is Paride. I am awaiting for my plus 2 boards results now. I have commerce stream. Class 9 was a turning point for my career as it's the most crucial point where it is necessary to sharpen our skills. Although I had kept cramming most of the concepts in maths till 8th, but when I started learning with Mohit sir, it was unexpected. Just in the initial classes, he made us work on 4 concepts, which were to never skip classes, to never skip homework, and to never be late for studies, unless or until it's very urgent. And last but not least, to never do evil for others. And there goes when the journey started. Not only maths, but he taught us how to do studies in an effective and efficient way without sacrificing childhood enjoyment. Not only me, but I also noticed how my batchmates were scoring better day by day. I can never forget the hardships he dealt with to make us do something great in our lives. I never thought I would ever enjoy studying mathematics like that ever before. Concepts were getting cleared. Moreover, doubt classes were regularly taken by him. Regular series of tests and side-by-side revision was also preached. Overall, it boosted confidence in me to choose maths in my further studies. Sports was equally important for me as studies were, and I never faced any problem in balancing both. He equally supported me to excel in both the fields. I am really contented with my scores in each subject, but especially in mathematics. All credits to Mohit sir for converting me from average student to topper. Thank you, sir.
Hi, my name is Isha Panchal and I studied with Mohit sir during my 10th boards in 2016. So if I have to summarize my learning experience with Mohit sir, I would say it was great. जो मोहित सर का टीचिंग मेथड है वो बहुत ही इजी और बहुत ही फ़न है. जितने मज़े हम लोगों ने मैथ्स पढ़ते वक्त मोहित सर के साथ करे उतने मज़े हम लोगों ने कहीं पर भी नहीं करे. जो उनकी एक्सरसाइजेज है, जो नोट्स हैं और जो वो रेगुलर टेस्ट और फीडबैक देते हैं, अगर आप लोगों ने वो अच्छे से कर लिए तो आपके 10th के बोर्ड्स बहुत बहुत ईजी हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि वो सब कुछ कवर कर लेते हैं. और मोहित सर जो टेस्ट के बाद आपको फीडबैक देते हैं पर्सनली, वो बेस्ट है. मतलब वो आपको सब कुछ बताते हैं कि आपने कहाँ मिस्टेक्स करी और आप कैसे अपने मार्क्स बढ़ा सकते हैं. आप अगर ये नहीं करेंगे तो आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. सब कुछ कवर कर लेते हैं वो. सो आई गॉट 10 CGPA इन 10th. और मैथ्स एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट था जो मुझे लग रहा था कि पक्का मेरे मार्क्स डूबेंगे इसकी वजह से, बट थैंक्स टू मोहित सर मेरे बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आए थे मैथ्स में. Currently I'm studying at Delhi University and I would definitely recommend everyone to study with Mohit sir. ये आपका बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस होने वाला है मैथ्स पढ़ने का. So yeah, thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Vikram Jain and I have completed my 12th this year. Currently, I am preparing for JEE Advanced and I have scored 96.3 percentile in JEE Mains. So let me share my experience with Mohit sir. So from beginning, maths is my favorite subject, and I always wanted a teacher who not only gives question in the class but also explains the concept behind it. And I unfortunately I met Mohit sir in 8th class. He's such a nice and patient teacher and explains each and every concept in such a precise manner that it still has a print on my brain. All this helped me to get 99 in maths and 92% in 10th boards. The thing I like the most is his nature. He treats each and every student like his friend. And if you get a chance to teach with Mohit sir, I think you will fall in love with maths. Lastly, I always remember that to achieve something, you have to work with full dedication and hard work. Contribution of any teacher in our life is just 20%. 80% is what we do. So, lastly, I will thank Mohit sir for standing beside me, guiding me, and helping me. Thank you, sir.
Hi, my name is Shobha Sharma and I took classes from Mohit sir for my 9th and 10th grade. Before that, my maths was not really my cup of tea, but when I started taking classes from Mohit sir, my perception towards mathematics changed upside down. He is a really great teacher. He used to emphasize on basics, which really helped me to solve almost all types of questions. He never ignored the doubts that students used to have, and he used to clear those doubts with utmost sincerity. I scored 95 out of 100 in mathematics in my 10th boards, and it was possible only because of Mohit sir. Other than being a great teacher, he is also a really good person. He is very humble. He's very kind-hearted, and that is the cherry on the cake. Thank you, sir, for being such a great teacher.
Hello, hope you're doing well. My name is Ishika and right now I'm pursuing BBA from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth. I would like to share my experience with Mohit sir, and it was really a great experience with him. As well studying, I never felt bored or sleepy. I was always excited for his classes as it was really a fun. As well studying, we had lot of fun, lot of studying. He make things so easy and quick to understand and learn. He's the one who makes my basics so strong in class 9th and 10th, and even I scored very well in class 9th and 10th because of him. He always believes in me, he always gives me courage, he always gives me confidence of doing things. So thank you so much sir for everything, and you always gives me best advice for my future and career. You always helped me a lot. So once again, thank you so much. You are the best teacher I ever met. You always gives me positive vibes, and the way you are is just perfect. So that's all I want to say.
Everyone, my name is Isha Sharma and I am a first year BTech student from SRM University, Chennai. I am doing computer science with specialization in big data analytics. I joined Skyline Tutorials when I was in 8th class and I had my first trial class of mathematics with Mohit sir. On the first trial class, he taught me some basic concepts of maths which were really easy to grasp. I studied in Skyline for 3 years and it has been an amazing experience. His teaching methods are really good. Also, he used to prepare notes and he provided, which consisted of all the important questions that frequently come in board exams. In board exams, I scored 92 in mathematics and my overall percentage was 92. I was not so good in mathematics subject, and during my these 3 years there were a lot of ups and downs in my performances, but Mohit sir patiently and consistently worked hard to make my performance better day by day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aman Jain and currently I am working with Infosys and I have done my graduation in BCA from IP University. I want to share my experience with Mohit sir. He taught me in class 9th and class 10th the subject mathematics, the subject from which everyone fears but the shocking news is that it was my favorite subject, and I used to love mathematics. And I want to give the credit to Mohit sir only because he taught me mathematics so nicely and so efficiently that I did fall in love with maths. And especially he used to use two words, Drik Shanka and Lagu Shanka, which means बड़ा doubt and छोटा doubt. एंड उन्होंने सारे डाउट्स हमारे क्लास में लिए, हमेशा लिए, एंड हमेशा क्लास में क्लियर करे हैं. कभी उनको ऐसे नहीं करा कि he'll solve the doubt the next day or the day after that. No, he always used to solve our doubts there itself. And I really want to thank Mohit sir for being such an good teacher, such an amazing teacher. And he's such a gem person. नेचर मोहित सर का बहुत अच्छा है एंड टीचिंग तो मोहित सर की बहुत ही अच्छी है. So thank you Mohit sir for being such an amazing teacher in my life, and thank you for making me fall in love with maths.
Hi, this is Vikram Malhotra. I had the privilege of studying under Mohit sir. He used to teach me in class 10th. He's a tutor with so much knowledge and he's yet so humble that he used to solve even those of my doubts which other teachers considered irrelevant, and that too with a smile on his face. The concepts, the techniques which he inculcated in me, I still remember them and I'm still implementing them. I remember how he playfully teach us mathematics. He made mathematics for us really, really simple. And he was the one who boosted my confidence to take up mathematics in higher classes. And due to him, my love for mathematics really blossomed. And that love still continues. And I'm about to receive my bachelor's degree in mathematics honors. With remembering the good old days, all I can say is thank you. Thank you, Mohit sir.